Whether it's summer, winter or anything in between, kurtis are a wardrobe staple that work for every occasion. Here are 4 simple yet stylish ways you can make the most of your breathable staples. Type kurti in the comments below and we'll send you your ultimate kurti buying guide. Let's start with Empire line kurtis. They're basically fitted till the natural waist or right under the bust and flared out just below it. This makes them one of the most flattering silhouettes as it creates a cinched in high-waisted look for your upper body, creating curves on your lower half. Let your kurti be the hero of your simple yet stylish outfit by pairing it with a basic pair of pants. This is perfect whether you're off to work or just lounging at home. To give your kurti a casual makeover, try pairing it with your trusted jeans and basic t-shirt as a jacket, and you're ready for a day out. If you want to hide any bulk around the tummy area, A-line kurtis are going to be your new favorite. As the name suggests, they taper out from the top to the bottom, so they're super comfortable, don't emphasize any curves and don't stick to your body. Pick one with asymmetrical or high-low hems to add the illusion of interest to your lower body while keeping your torso slim. However, to avoid any bulk, go for skinnier bottoms like straight cut pants or leggings. For last minute party plans, you can always skip your bottoms for a casual dress look. Add finishing touches by cinching in your waist with a matching belt. I know most of us tend to shy away from sleeveless kurtis at work, but I've got just the solution you need: layering. You can always cover up and ditch your dupatta with a casual jacket. A jacket that ends near your waist will help highlight it and give you that sleek look. On the flip side, if you're planning to head out after work or just go for a small party, you can layer up with a voluminous long jacket. This will add that little bit of edge and drama to your outfit. Long jackets also help add length to your frame thanks to the vertical details they add. Yokes and panels are not only a stylish addition to your kurti, but also a really smart way to look much sleeker. The panels create an outline and illusion of a slimmer frame, especially if there are contrasting details. You can pair them with simple straight fit pants if you're lounging at home or going to work. While high slits make your hips look slimmer, they're also a really great opportunity to wear your kurti with palazzo pants. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you'd like to see more such tips on kurtis. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.